Have you ever wondered what it's like to have superhero night vision? To see through the darkness like a stealthy ninja? Or at least a well-equipped camper? Well, today is the day. I'm unboxing these full-color night vision goggles to see how awesome they are, or to determine if they're just another thing destined for my junk drawer. Pepper, don't judge them yet. You haven't even seen what they can do. Instructions. Who needs those? Okay, maybe I do need those later, but for now, let's dig in. We've got the goggles, a lanyard, and a charging cable, and a micro SD card. These feel slightly disorienting. I can't see anything. Oh, wait, here we go. This is much better. I think I might have just taken 27 selfies of myself. Yep, I sure did. Well, if nothing else, it'll be good for the blooper reels. First impression, these things look like something out of a spy movie. All I'm missing now is a British accent and a tuxedo. Okay, I get it. It's more like a dorky dad movie. These goggles claim to have full color night vision and a 300-meter viewing range. Let's go see what's sneaking around the campsite tonight. Maybe a deer or a raccoon. All right, it's pitch black and I can't see a thing without this flashlight. This is usually the part in the horror movie where somebody says, "What's that noise?" Oh, it's just Piper with a stick. Crisis averted. Now let's test out these goggles. Whoa, I can see everything. Trees, rocks, tiny little bugs. Oh, there's Piper again. Wait a minute. I think there's a raccoon over there eating my leftover s'mores. Oh, it's on now. You mess with my snacks, you mess with me. What you think, Blair?
Pretty impressive. I feel like it records like a 1996 home
video. Yeah. See that raccoon over there?
No lie, I did hear a rustle. I just thought it would be a cougar.
Good. All right, let's break this down. Full color night vision, it's legit. It's like turning on the lights without scaring away the wildlife, or Piper. It's fairly lightweight. My neck and arms aren't sore from pretending I'm Batman for the last half hour.
Yeah, I'm Batman.
The recording feature is fun and cool, even if it does record all of my double chins.
Yeah.
Battery life, it comes with 2 batteries for a reason. You'll need to keep the charger handy. It doesn't last that long. I don't know the actual battery life. I didn't charge it before I started here. I just inserted them straight out of the package and they worked, but I think the battery life could be longer, but it is a pretty large battery. Zoom, pretty solid. Final verdict, they're a solid in my book. Most night vision things come in a monochrome green or red colors. I used those many, many nights as a Marine doing fun things around the world, but the view, the color, I like all that. I think it's a really handy feature. Are they perfect? No. Are they fun? Absolutely. If you're into late night adventures, spying on wildlife, or just pretending to be a secret agent.
Let this be a reminder to you all that this organization will not tolerate failure.
These are worth checking out. See? Even Piper approves. Or maybe she thinks it's a treat. Either way, it's a win. It turns out instructions manuals are handy and necessary. So I've played it around for a little while. Blair and I were outside playing for the last hour, maybe. We've been looking at all the things around the yard. In low light conditions, meaning dusk, the sun has just gone down, you still have some skylight, you can do full color mode. But in low light or no light conditions, no illume, and it's a cloudy night too, so there's no moon, no stars, anything like that. But in that condition, you do have an IR option. It has 7 settings of IR brightness. IR1 is so bright I can see my neighbor about 300 yards away. And it has a number of zoom, I think 16 levels of zoom, something like that. But you can zoom in really, really far and see quite a ways, particularly if you put that IR on full brightness. So if you are a hunter and you're out in an open field and you need to see something way off, this is a digital binocular with an IR light that you can see things. So all right, I'm outside now. It's getting sunset. I just want to show the difference in the color. If there's some light around, you can see pretty good with the color vision at night. But where we were before with the park, it was very, very dark part with no extra light. So I'm going to show you a separate video of what the light looks like right now. So this is the same condition using my iPhone camera. So there is some light in the sky. So from there, you can see through the lens of the night vision goggle that it does have color night vision. So there's a comparison looking down the road. So it's pretty good, pretty legit. I'm not unimpressed by it. It's just not as clear as the IR feature is, but it is a cool full color night vision goggle. And in this low light condition, I think it's pretty good. And the zoom on here is actually fantastic. So that's zoom 1, 2, 3. It gets pretty grainy after that if you're trying to zoom in more. So the zoom feature make it much more grainy, unless you're on IR. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. So here's normal vision, and here's the IR function. And it's pretty good. Like, I can zoom in and see a little bit more clear with the IR than I can with color. But very impressive. And I don't have the IR light on at all. This is just the IR camera. And I'm standing right next to my rig right now, but I'll come back out in a bit when it's darker and see if I'll see what the color camera lens looks then. All right, it's a little darker outside now. We're about half moon tonight, and there is this bright area right over here behind me giving some light, but I had this on, and we should be able to see the color nights. So I would equate it, I think Blair said this earlier in the video, but I would equate this to a mid-2000s cell phone or a VCR or an old camcorder. So there's our rig. I'm about 150 yards away from my rig right now. So again, not bad. And I will show you the difference again with the IR light. So normal camera, IR camera. And that's with no IR light on. I can turn the IR flashlight on, and it's like the sun shines out here when I do that. It's super bright. I think it's great for hunting. I think it's great for just general ideas of what's going on in the nighttime. And if you are someone who lives on property who randomly has animals come by, you can get that. You can put it on a tripod and just let it sit looking in one area. You can plug it in and use it at the same time USB-C. There's also an app for your phone that you can sync it with. I did not test this feature, but I think it's really cool. But you can sync it with your phone, and you can do all the functions with just your phone. So I think it's something that's neat. It's unique. If you're looking for a unique Christmas gift for someone in your life who needs something like this or would find this interesting, maybe it's something for you. There'll be a link to the product down below, and you can get yours there. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and Airstream travel and all other things we do. And please let me know, what's the weirdest gadget you've ever tried? Thanks for watching, and always remember, don't let the raccoons steal your s'mores. Thanks for joining, everybody. Hope you have an awesome day. Happy adventures. Hey, I want Piper to try it in the frame, but she can't get it out here. Or Bigfoot. It's like turning on. I'm gonna drink water. Every time I get a camera out, Piper's got to chew on a bone loudly or drink water loudly. It's time for the bone. It's like the the recording feature is fun and really cool, except for more random product reviews. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, and Pepper's chewing her bone. There'll be a description. There'll be a All right,